Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly reach their goals while others struggle? What's their secret? Are they born with some kind of goal-achieving superpower? Well, not exactly. Anyone, yes, anyone can achieve their goals with the right approach and a little bit of know-how. Firstly, it's crucial to have a clear, well-defined goal. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. It's the same with goals. A clear goal gives direction and purpose. It's the shining beacon guiding you through the fog of distractions and obstacles. So, how does one define a goal? Start by asking yourself, what do I want to achieve? Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to become the head of my department in 2 years. Once you've defined your goal, the next step is to create a plan. A goal without a plan is like a ship without a rudder. It won't get you very far. Your plan should be detailed and outline the steps you need to take to achieve your goal. Think of it as a roadmap leading you to your destination. Now, a plan is great, but without action, it's just a piece of paper. Taking action is where the rubber meets the road. It's all about discipline and consistency. Do something every day that brings you closer to your goal. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's the small, consistent actions that accumulate over time to bring about big results. But what happens when you encounter obstacles? You've defined your goal, created a plan, and started taking action. But the road to success is rarely smooth. You will encounter obstacles, and that's okay. Obstacles are not roadblocks. They're opportunities for growth and learning. When you come across an obstacle, don't give up. Instead, find a way around it. Remember, there's always a solution. Finally, it's essential to stay motivated. It's easy to lose motivation, especially when progress is slow. But remember why you started in the first place. Keep that vision in mind. It's your fuel, your driving force. Surround yourself with positivity and people who support your goals. They will keep you motivated and on track. To recap, achieving a goal is a process. It starts with defining a clear goal, creating a plan, taking consistent action, overcoming obstacles, and staying motivated. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. So remember, the ability to achieve your goals is not a superpower reserved for a select few. It's a skill that anyone can learn and master. It's all about the approach. With the right approach and a little bit of know-how, you too can achieve your goals. Now, go out there, set your goals, and make them happen. Because you can. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. It's time to unlock your potential and turn your dreams into reality.